That was number 2. Number 3 is asking unit circle. So maybe what is a unit circle? The question is kind of broad here, so I don't really know what the question is asking. Or maybe I'll just define what is a unit circle. So I'm going to draw out my plane here, and then I'm going to draw out a circle. Okay. So this is a unit circle. And basically, again, we know that this here is x, this here is y. And basically, for a circle here, we obviously have a center of a circle. In this case, I put 0, 0, and in the diagram, they put 0, 0 as well. But basically, an equation of the circle looks something like this. You can think of it as x minus some r squared plus y minus some s squared equals r squared. So this here is the equation of my equation of a circle. And what does this mean? So equation of circle. Basically, this means that I have both an x and a y value, right? As you can see here, for a unit circle in itself, it would be specifically it would be x squared plus y squared equals 1, right? Or 1 squared. And this point here would be basically 1, 0. This here is 0, 0, and this point would be 0, 1 here. So this here is our unit circle. What this means is that we have an x-intercept, or you can say we have 2 x-intercepts. One is 1, and one here is -1. We have we have 2 y-intercepts here, which is 0 and 1, and 0 and -1. So this here would make up the circles here. For x squared plus y squared equals 1, and then and 1 here is the radius, right? So my radius of my circle here equals r, right? And this here, in this case, r here equals 1. So, because I know it's 1, 1, and yeah, this here is 1 here. So this here is the radius of my circle. So r here is radius. This actually, I'm gonna use I won't use r in this case actually because it's kind of confusing. If I use r, maybe I'll use t here or something like that. T here, or I think it's actually s and t. The correct symbols, so s and t, where this s and t are basically points that are in the center of the circle. So this determines the x and y values for center of circle. So in this case, because it's 0, 0, then I simply just have x squared plus y squared equals 1, right? So in this case, s and t are 0. Both of these variables are 0, but that's not. That's only specific for the unit circle. If my center of the circle was another point here, I would have an s and t value as well. So this is basically a unit circle. You basically learn this when we talk about quadratic functions here, because we have one quadratic function here and another quadratic function here, and basically a lot of the questions you would have to complete the circle to find the center of the circle, or to find what the radius is of the circle. So I'm going to say solution here is correct. Good analysis as well.